Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to Solo Garage. I know it's been quite a while and I apologize deeply. The video that you guys are about to watch was supposed to be out 2 weeks ago, but I caught COVID when I went to Atlanta for a Logic and Wiz concert. It was awesome. Second time seeing Logic. Do I want COVID again? Hell no. That shit sucks. Had me out for pretty much 2 weeks. Barely ate for 2 weeks. Still sound a little but so I had already made this intro. The video would have been out, but I don't know what happened with the sound. Somehow got corrupted, which is weird because not all of it got corrupted. And like I said, this is the new Rode microphone that I've been using for a little minute now, and I really haven't had any trouble out of it. So not sure what happened. It is hot in here, I'm sorry. But our video today is about Eastwood's brake caliper retractor tool, made by Fairmount Tools. So if you're doing brake jobs or anything like that, you've obviously had to push in a caliper, piston back in. You have your normal ones, and then you have your funky ones, which some Hondas have on their rear brakes, which the S2000 does. I've had as you'll see later in the video, use a universal tool from AutoZone, which sucks. So this thing right here is pretty awesome. Alright, so we have the passenger front side out. Currently putting the new brake pads in. So here is what the inside of the kit looks like. Got all different tools, well, plates I guess you want to call them. The contents should have a threaded drive tool, right hand thread, threaded drive tool, left hand thread, one push plate, 13 rotating caliper adapter plates, a 3/8 square ratchet drive adapter caliper push-in plate, and a heavy-duty blow molded case, which see there. Alright, so for the S2000 front caliper piston, we are using just a push plate and the plate number 3. Alright, so for the rear piston, all we used was a 3/8 ratchet and a 3/8 drive adapter. There's probably a better way of doing it, but it seemed to work really pretty well. Alright, so we have all 4 sides done. Just finishing up. Alright, like I said, we are done. Car's back on the ground now. Overall, I will say the kit is worth it. It definitely made pushing in the pistons a lot easier, especially the rear ones. It's worth about 68 bucks. So, I mean, and you get pretty much a tool for just about everything according to the instructions. I mean, Fiats, Jaguars, Land Rovers, Lancias, Peugeots. So just about everything that you might be working on, you can probably get with this kit. So I'd say definitely worth it for pretty much 70 bucks. Instead of using the C-clamp or what I normally use is this universal tool from like Advance or AutoZone. It works, but it usually ends up slipping off. You'll end up busting your knuckles or something like that. So just invest in the kit and save yourself the trouble. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. Just something really quick, simple. Again, thank you to Eastwood for the awesome products that they sell and make. And I'm about to go shower. I hope you guys are staying safe. Before I forget, if you guys haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. Smash that like button. Drop some comments, hints, any content that you guys want to see in the future. And I will see you guys on the next one.